Welcome friends. Today we are going to review a magazine which is very informative and it can change the learning habit of yours and your children in the positive way for sure. Name of the book is Tell Me Why. Friends, there are millions of books in the world, but it's true that there are some books which make a big difference in the thinking and personality of the person. The magazine we are watching now is published by Manorama Publication. Friends, if you are preparing for competitive exams, or you study in school, or you like to read books, then you must buy this book. First of all, let us tell you about its price. The price of this book is only 40 rupees and it's a monthly magazine. Friends, it is not difficult to get this magazine. You can get it from your newspaper person, or if there is a magazine shop near your house, then you can get it easily from there too. One topic is chosen each month and complete information about that topic or subject is given in the magazine. This magazine is a unique source of knowledge for everyone. As you can see, glossy paper has been used in the magazine. Beautiful pictures are made on every page, which will not let you bored at all. Friends, I would like to tell you that my experience with this magazine has been very good. Whatever topic is chosen in the magazine, its complete information is presented to you in an interesting way. Email address, website and toll-free numbers are given on the intro pages. If you want to get any information related to subscription, you can call at any number given here. Believe me, if you buy this magazine once, you will fall in love with it and you will experience that you have spent money on a good deal. We give 5 out of 5 stars to this magazine. In the end, we will say few words for this book, The Ocean in a Pot. So go to market and buy this book today. Thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. We'll meet in another such video. Thank you.